Hi guys, hope you're well, hope you're having a wonderful weekend. So unfortunately, as it turns out, I won't be able to do the live reading tonight on TikTok because I need to pop out somewhere shortly and I really don't know what time I'm going to be back for. So I didn't want to leave you without anything, so I'm actually doing a reading for both TikTok and YouTube for the collective. And for those of you that can join me tomorrow instead, please do. So I'll be doing a live reading on TikTok tomorrow evening UK time at 7 o'clock, okay? So if you are following me on TikTok, and if you're not, maybe you should, because I'll be doing a lot more regular live readings on that platform. So if you're available at 7 p.m. tomorrow, 4th of December, 7 p.m. UK time, come and join me, okay? So let me leave you with this message because I didn't want you guys to be without, and it has been a while since I've done a pre-recorded reading for TikTok and YouTube. So let's have a look and see what messages are from your person, from somebody. Okay, what are the messages for our collective? What do you need to know about this person? Some of you have got a secret admirer, and some of you have people from the past that are reminiscing on you. So this reading, I think, is going to focus on that, okay? Oh, you see? It flew out. Where's the avocado? Okay, here we go. So we've got values. We have too many differences. So hopefully you guys can see that, okay? So it could be that this person could come from a completely different background, or they have values on things that you don't. Feels like this person could be more earthly, more into the kind of materialistic things, whereas you could be more spiritual. Or it could be that you're from different cultured backgrounds, so your beliefs on things are different, and it could be conflicting. It could be a big contrast. Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. So somebody still is drawn to this connection. So for some of you, you could be distant from this person, may not even be talking to this person, but there is still that connection there, and this person's feeling that towards you, okay? The message, neglected. I failed to give you what you need. So this person may not have been putting in the effort into this connection that they should have. It almost feels like you was putting in more than this energy. Some of you, this person's reminiscing. I'm kind of getting that some of you are not in contact with this energy. Others of you, I'm actually getting, for some of you, this could actually be with someone you're currently seeing as well. So if you're having an up and down kind of moment with this energy, this could be the reason, okay? So third party, there were other things that got in the way of us being together. So I have been guessing this for quite some time, and it seems to me that this connection didn't take off because there was outside interferences getting in the way. Okay, so this person is admitting to that, admitting to interferences coming in, or this person allowed these type of energies to get in the way of this connection blossoming. We've got destiny. I'm struggling to find the right path. This person, I think, gets easily swayed as well by people. I don't think they entirely know what they're doing with their life. So they could be a bit of a people's pleaser as well. They'll do things to please the crowd. Yeah. We've got this person's been trying to move on from you as well, because we do have I am trying to move on, new chapter. So they are trying to kind of move on from you. They could have tried to date other people in the past, hoping that that would bring them into new beginnings, trying to find that spark. When I see the fireworks, it's like somebody is trying to seek for that spark that they had with you, and they may not be finding it. Unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. So yeah, so whatever it is that they've been trying to do, it's not going as planned. Oh God, so many messages. Okay. So we've got hope. I haven't given up on us yet. This is the energy that I've been feeling in this reading. Somebody does want to make a return. Unworthy. You're a better person than I am. So they do think highly of you, collective. They do believe that you have a lot to bring to any kind of relationship. And they do see you as somebody that deserves to have commitment. We do have the commitment card, but I'm kind of getting that this person may have had commitments in other areas, hence the third parties, but they actually do want a commitment with you. I want you to be a part of my future. But they're taking on too much of the outside gossip. I'm afraid of what others will think. So this person is swayed by others and what people feel about them, about you and them, about how they are perceived to the public. They are bothered about that. And this could also have been an issue with this connection. Okay. Let me see. You know what, let me go, give me a second. Okay, I just had to get a deck. So this is the African Goddess Rising deck. I do like this deck. I'm actually going to be using it in tomorrow's live reading as well. So let's see the message for you. What's the advice regarding this for our collective? We got the Harvest card. The ancestors are kind of encouraging you to focus on things that is going to give you results, give you bountiful results, give you happy results, joyful results, results that you can celebrate. Things that give you joy. Things that you know can evolve, that will grow, that you can nurture. And also about you being nurtured as well. See the truth for what it is. Seeing things for what they are. Looking in the mirror at this situation for what it is. Can this person really give you what you're looking for? Considering the past events, considering how they have been towards you, do you really think that that will ever change? Are there things about you that you need to look on within yourself? Is there healing there that needs to be looked at a bit closer? It's kind of like Spirit is telling you that you already know the truth with this person. This person was definitely a learning curve for you. They taught you something about yourself. And this person betrayed you as well. And maybe this betrayal, as painful as it was meant to teach you something about yourself so that you value yourself more because you've got the worthiness. So maybe this was a trigger of growth for you so that you valued yourself more and upped your level with the type of partners you're attracting as well. So collective, this is going to be your reading for today. And please, join my live reading tomorrow if you want to know more. Okay? See you then. Take care.